Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add mobile frame to our video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, we need to prepare the mobile frame for our video. You can get the mobile frame from the internet. And here, as you can see guys, I have downloaded some mobile frames for my video editing. You can go to your browser and then search for the mobile frame or green screen mobile frame like this. And after you have prepared the mobile frame, you can go to your InShot application and start to create new project. I'm going to click on video and then select new, and you can choose the video you want to edit or the video you want to put on the mobile frame. I'm just going to select the portrait video. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video, or I'm just going to use video from the InShot material. Let's use video from here. I'm just going to use this video. Okay, and then we're going to add mobile frame to this project. To add the mobile frame, we can go to the PIP option and then we can select the mobile frame. Okay, and I'm going to change the aspect ratio according to the mobile frame ratio, guys. I'm going to go to the canvas and I'm going to select this ratio. Okay, and to remove the green screen from this mobile frame, we're going to use chroma feature. So I'm going to click on PIP, click on the mobile frame, and then go to the cutout, and then select the chroma feature, and you can place the circle on the green screen, and then increase the strength like this. And as you can see that the green screen has been removed from the mobile frame, and then this is the final result. As you can see guys, that my video is in the mobile frame. That's so easy, right? And then you can adjust the duration of the mobile frame according to your video. And my video has 8 seconds, so the mobile frame has to be 8 seconds. Okay, and if you want to export your video, you can click on the export and then select the resolution, and I'm gonna go with this one and click on export, and then the video will be exported to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add mobile frame to our video using InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.